What if getting into a Lithuanian university is simpler than you've been told? Applying to a university in Lithuania is a manageable process, but it requires good planning, attention to detail, and an understanding of the key steps involved. Let's walk through it clearly. Step 1. Research and choose your programs. Before anything else, decide which university and program you want to apply to. Visit the official websites of Lithuanian universities and look for programs offered in English. Pay close attention to the specific academic requirements, entry criteria, and application deadlines for each program. Different programs may have different requirements, so it's essential to check each one individually. Step 2. Prepare your documents. Most Lithuanian university applications require a combination of the following: your academic transcripts from your previous studies, translated into English or Lithuanian if necessary, a certified copy of your passport, proof of English language proficiency, usually through IELTS, TOEFL, or equivalent exams, a motivation letter, and in some cases, a CV, letters of recommendation, or a portfolio depending on the program. Make sure all documents are organized, complete, and translated where required. Step 3. Use the application platforms. Many Lithuanian universities use centralized or online application platforms. Llama BPO is the main national platform for bachelor's admissions in Lithuania, while many master's programs accept applications through the university's own portal or platforms like MoveOn. Register early, familiarize yourself with the platform, and double-check that all required documents are uploaded correctly before submitting. Step 4. Understand the timelines. For most bachelor's programs, applications typically open in spring, and deadlines fall around July, with the academic year starting in September. Master's programs may have varying deadlines. Some accept applications in spring for fall intake, while others have rolling admissions. Always verify the specific deadlines on the university's official website, as they can differ between programs and institutions. Step 5. Language proficiency requirements. Most English-taught programs in Lithuania require a minimum IELTS score of 5.5 to 6.5, or an equivalent TOEFL score. Some programs may have higher requirements, so always check carefully. If you have not yet taken a language test, plan ahead, as test bookings can take several weeks. Step 6. Write a strong motivation letter. Your motivation letter, also called a statement of purpose, is one of the most important parts of your application. It's your opportunity to explain why you chose this specific program, what your academic background and achievements are, what your professional and personal goals are, and why Lithuania is the right place for you to pursue your education. Tailor each motivation letter to the specific university, and program generic letters are less convincing and may hurt your chances. Step 7. Apply for student visa and residence permit. Once you receive an acceptance letter, you'll need to apply for a student visa at the Lithuanian embassy or consulate in your home country. You'll then apply for a temporary residence permit upon arrival. We cover this process in full detail in a separate dedicated video. By following these steps carefully and starting early, you significantly increase your chances of a successful application. In our Study in Europe series, the next video covers the student visa process for Lithuania in complete detail.